Ever run out of hot water right when you need it most? Today, we're breaking down the best outdoor tankless water heaters so you can get endless hot water without the bulky tank or wasted energy. In this video, I'll walk you through the top options, what actually matters when choosing one, and which models are worth your money right now. Whether you're upgrading your home or planning a new install, this will save you time and headaches. Check the link in the description below for updated prices, specs, and the best deals on every water heater we mention. Let's get into it. Designed for homes that need steady hot water without interruption, this unit delivers strong performance even under demanding conditions. The APUS 190,000 BTU outdoor tankless water heater provides up to 8.1 GPM, making it capable of running multiple showers and faucets at the same time without temperature drops. Its propane-powered system starts at an ultra-low 0.79 GPM, which is helpful for homes with weaker water pressure. The compact outdoor design keeps indoor space clear while handling harsh weather thanks to built-in freeze protection and a wind-resistant cabinet. A high-grade oxygen-free copper heat exchanger improves efficiency and durability while reducing heat loss. Smart temperature control allows adjustment from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit through an app or wired remote, with temperature accuracy within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. Installation is straightforward, with standard 3/4-inch gas and water connections and a 120-volt power requirement. Users often praise the fast heating, stable output, and convenience of app control. While professional installation is recommended, many find it reliable once installed. Overall, it's viewed as a powerful whole-home solution with solid build quality and modern control features. Built for practical everyday use, this water heater focuses on consistency and reliability rather than excess complexity. The STPFFOT Outdoor Propane tankless water heater delivers up to 5.2 gallons per minute, making it well-suited for small to mid-sized households running 2 to 4 fixtures at once. Its low 7 gallons per minute activation flow allows it to work effectively in low-pressure environments, including apartments and high-rise buildings. The exterior housing is corrosion-resistant and designed to withstand wind, rain, and freezing temperatures. Internally, layered combustion technology helps maintain steady water temperature year-round with minimal fluctuation. Temperature control is simple and accurate, adjustable through the included wired controller. Safety is a strong focus, with protections against flame failure, overheating, dry combustion, fan failure, and exhaust blockage. The unit uses standard 3/4-inch NPT connections and requires a nearby 110-volt outlet for ignition. Customer feedback often highlights stable temperature performance and good value for the price. Some installation experiences vary, but once running, users report dependable daily use for showers, dishes, and laundry. Engineered for dependable performance, this unit is designed to handle daily household hot water needs with minimal wait time. The RHEEM RTG Outdoor Natural Gas Tankless water heater delivers up to 7.0 GPM using 160,000 BTUs, making it ideal for homes with 2 to 3 bathrooms. Its outdoor-rated metal cabinet supports long-term durability and safe exterior installation. A standout feature is hot start programming, which keeps water ready between uses to prevent cold bursts during back-to-back showers. Freeze protection and a self-diagnostic system help maintain reliable operation and simplify troubleshooting. The digital display provides clear temperature control with a maximum output of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The compact, wall-mounted design saves space and allows installation in tighter outdoor areas. Users frequently mention fast heating, often reaching usable temperatures within seconds. Installation is generally described as manageable for professionals, and overall reliability is a recurring positive point. While some users have mixed opinions on long-term sturdiness, many view it as a solid, efficient option backed by a well-known manufacturer and consistent performance. Built for flexibility and off-grid convenience, this unit is well-suited for outdoor and temporary hot water needs. The RANEIN portable propane tankless water heater produces up to 4.74 GPM with 85,300 BTUs, delivering warm water for camping, cabins, yard work, and remote locations. It operates at low pressure, making it especially useful in rural areas. The internal copper heat exchanger improves heating efficiency while reducing energy waste. A segmented burner design supports consistent combustion, and the stainless steel outer shell protects against corrosion. Despite its performance, the unit remains lightweight at just over 20 pounds. Safety features include multiple automatic protections and a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Installation is simple, but proper ventilation is required, as it is designed strictly for outdoor use. Users appreciate the quick setup, portability, and steady water output. Many note that it works well for repeated use without long waits. Overall, it's seen as a dependable portable option with solid construction and and reliable heating for non-permanent setups. Compact and lightweight, this unit is designed for mobility rather than whole house demand. The 6-liter portable outdoor propane tankless water heater delivers up to 1.58 GPM with 40,000 BTUS, providing instant hot water for camping, RVs, pet washing, and outdoor showers. It activates at very low water pressure, making it useful in off-grid environments. The slim design includes a folding handle and mounting hardware, allowing quick setup almost anywhere. It runs on a standard 20-pound propane tank and uses battery-powered ignition, eliminating the need for electrical hookups. Multiple safety systems protect against overheating, flame failure, dry combustion, and freezing. Users frequently mention how fast it heats water and how easy it is to install straight out of the box. Portability is a major highlight, especially for seasonal or travel use. While not intended for permanent outdoor exposure, proper care and storage help extend its lifespan. Overall, it's viewed as a convenient, budget-friendly solution for mobile hot water needs. Designed with simplicity in mind, this unit focuses on lightweight portability and basic outdoor functionality. The ECCOTEMP L5 portable outdoor tankless water heater provides 5 gallons per minute and runs on standard liquid propane, making it popular for camping, cabins, and outdoor showers. Battery-powered ignition allows it to operate without electrical outlets. Its compact body is easy to carry and mount, and it connects directly to a standard garden hose. Safety shutoff features activate if the unit runs too long or tilts excessively, adding an extra layer of protection during use. The temperature range supports warm to hot water, depending on inlet conditions. User feedback is mixed. Many appreciate the easy setup and portability, especially for light-duty use. Others report inconsistent heating, ignition issues, or hose durability concerns. When functioning properly, it meets basic needs well, but it may require careful handling and realistic expectations. Overall, it's best suited for occasional outdoor use rather than demanding or continuous applications. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest home upgrades, and check the link in the description below for the best outdoor tankless water heater deals today.